Good morning, students. Exercise 11.4, third problem. If mu and sigma squared are the mean and variance of the discrete random variable x, and e of x plus 3 is equal to 10 and e of x plus 3 the whole squared is equal to 116, find mu and sigma squared. Okay, so the two results are given. E of x plus 3 is equal to 10 and e of x plus 3 the whole squared is equal to 116. Okay, so take the first result. E of x plus 3 is equal to 10. So it can be written as e of x plus e of 3 is equal to 10. So e of x you have to write as it is. E of 3, that is e of b, is equal to b. What is that? We have learned E of B is equal to B. So therefore, B3 is a constant. So E of 3 is equal to 3. That is equal to 10. So 3, when you take it to the right side, it is minus 3. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So we have found E of x is equal to 7. You consider the next result. E of x plus 3 the whole squared is equal to 116. So E of, first you have to apply a plus b the whole square. So a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, that is x squared plus 3 squared is 9 plus 2 into 3 is 6 into x. So 6x is equal to 116. So apply E expected value for all the terms. So E of x squared plus E of 9 plus E of 6x is equal to 116. So E of x squared you have to write as it is. E of 9, again you have to use this formula. E of b is equal to b itself. So it is 9 plus, how it looks like, E of ax. If you have the expected value of ax is nothing but a into E of x. So here in the place of a you are having 6. So it can be written as 6 into E of x is equal to 116. Here E of x what it is? It is 7. So it can be substituted. So therefore E of x squared plus 9, 6 is 6 sevens or 42 is equal to 116. 42 plus 9 is 51. Okay, 51 when you take it to the right side it is minus 51. So 116 minus 51 is 65. So what is asked? Mean and variance. Already we have found mean. What is mean? E of x. E of x we have found. Next you have to find sigma squared. Sigma squared is nothing but variance of x. So you have to use the formula. What formula? E of x squared minus E of x the whole square. So E of x squared we have found it is 65 and E of x already in the first result we have found it is 7. So therefore here you have to substitute E in the place of E of x as 7. So 7 squared is 49. So when you subtract it is 16. So sigma squared is equal to 16. And mu is nothing but E of x. E of x is equal to 7. So therefore here you have to write, therefore mu is equal to E of x. What is E of x? E of x is equal to 7 because what is asked? Mu and sigma squared. Coming to the fourth problem. 4 coins are tossed once. Find the probability mass function, mean and variance for the number of heads occurred. So probability mass function you have to find. What it is? Probability mass function, small f of x is equal to P of x is equal to x. And next mean. What is mean? E of x you have to find out. Otherwise mu. And what is variance of x? It is sigma squared has to be found. Okay. For everything has to be found for number of heads occurred. Okay. So first we have to denote the random variable x be the number of heads. X be the number of heads. How many coins are tossed? 4 coins are tossed. So if you toss once, in all the 4 coins, if you are getting tail, how many number of heads you are having? So no heads occurred. So all the 4 coins are having tail. So the number of heads is 0. So x equal to 0. In the 4 coins, you may get only one head. That time x is equal to 1. Next, in the same way, you can get number of among the 4 coins, you can get 2 heads. Okay, so x is equal to 2 and x equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. All the 4 coins having head means your x value is 4. So x takes values from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for a single coin, what is the probability of getting a head is equal to 1 by 2. Probability of getting a tail is 1 by 2. So we have to go for P of x is equal to 0. X equal to 0 means what? X equal to 0. X is what? Number of heads. Number of heads is 0 means which event will occur? In all the 4 coins you are having tail. So P of T, 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 T. They are independent. Each trial is independent. So therefore it can be written as P of T into P of T into P of T into P of T. So what is the probability of getting a tail in a single coin? It is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 16. And P of x is equal to 1. That means out of 4 coins, you will have only one, what is it, head. So that can be written as 4C1. Here I have written 4. So how the 4 has come? 4C1. What is 4C1? Out of 4 coins, only one coin having head. So it can be written as 4C1. So 4C1 can be written as 4. Okay. So see that. Otherwise we can write this event. Write this event. P of first time you can get head. So or you can have T, H, T, T. Or what is it? T, T, H, T. Or T, 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 H. So how many times you are getting? 4. Okay. So otherwise it can be written as out of 4 coins, only one coin is head. So only one coin we have to select which has head. That can be written as 4C1. So 4C1 is equal to 4. So you have to find the probability of HTTT. So it can be written in multiplication. So 4 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, that is equal to 4 by 16. And P of x is equal to 2. X equal to 2 means what? Number of heads is 2. So out of 4 coins, you can have 2. Here you will have 2 coins having head. So it can be done 4C2. 4C2. Okay, into P of HHTT. Okay, the 4C2 can be written as 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2. So the 2 getting cancelled means here you will have 6. So if you multiply all the 3, 6 by 16. If you are not going to write in combination, you can go for like this. How it will be? P of HHTT or sorry, T. So only 2 heads you will have, or HTTH. So the next one, 3 ways I have written. So next one, so it is THHT or TH or you see now here TTH. See, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times we can get 2H. So in this way also you can write 6 into probability of HHTT. So it can be written as 6 into. So if you multiply 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So that is equal to 6 by 16. Instead of writing each event separately, we can go for combination method. So out of 4 coins, 2 coins having head. So out of 4 coins, we have to select the coins which have head. So therefore it can be written as 4C2. This 4C2, if we evaluate, you will get 6. You see that in the 2 and 4 getting cancelled. So here we are having 2 2 3s are 6. So 6 into 1 by 6, that is equal to 6 by 16. So P of X is equal to 3. So out of 4 coins, you have to select the 3 coins which have head. So it can be written using combination 4C3. 4C3 is nothing but 4C1. Why so? You know the formula, NCR is equal to NC n minus R. You have learnt NCR is equal to NC n minus R. So 4C3 can be written as 4C, what is that? 4 minus 3, that is 1. So okay, what is 4C1? 4C1 is nothing but 4. So how to find the probability of these this event? So it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 16. That is 4 by 16. P of X is equal to 4. So X is equal to 4. All the 4 coins having what is it? Head. So we have to select all the 4 coins at a time. So it can be done as one way. Okay, so with this event alone occurs. So whose probability is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So that is equal to 1 by 16. So we have written the probability mass function. So in the first row, you have written the values of X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And P of X is equal to X. The results are, what are the results we have found? We have tabulated. So this is the probability mass function. So in this problem, what is asked? Probability mass function is asked. So next one, what you have to find? E of X. So E of X, that means mean we have to find, that is E of X. It's a discrete random variable. So what we have to do, it has countable number of values, that is only it has 5 values. So we can add. So that's why we have used summation X into F of X. So X value is, first value is 0. It has to be multiplied with a probability. 0 into 1 by 6 is 0. Next 1 into 4 by 16 is 4 by 16. 2 into 6 by 16 is 12 by 16. 3 into 4 by 16 also 12 by 16. 4 into 1 by 16 is 4 by 16. So the LCM is 16. So when you add, so 4 plus 12 is 16. Here also 12 plus 4 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. 32 by 16 is equal to 2. Next you have to find out variance of X. For that, what is needed? E of X squared is needed. So E of X squared means, what is the formula? Summation of X squared into F of X. So the values of X has to be squared. So 0 squared is 0. 0 into 1 by 16 is 0. Okay, next here 1, if you square that also 1. 1 into 4 by 16. So you will have 4 by 16. Next the 2 has to be squared. So 4. So when you square 2, it is 4. 4 into 6 by 16. But 4 6 are 24. So the answer is here 24 by 16. So the next one, if you square 3, 9. 9 into 4 by 16. So 9 into 4 by 16, that is 9 4s are 36 by 16. And the next one, if you square 4, it is 16. 16 into 1 by 16. So that is here 16 by 16. So what is the LCM is 16. When you add the numerator, it is 80. So when it is divided by 16, 80. So that is 5. So E of X squared we have found. Next you have to find variance of X. So that is E of X squared minus E of X the whole square. E of X squared is 5. So E of X is what? Already we have found 2. 2 the whole square, that is 4. So the variance of X is equal to 1. Okay. So see the next problem. The problem number 5. A commuter train arrives punctually at a station every half an hour. Each morning, a student leaves his house to the train station. Let X denote the amount of time. What is X? X denote the amount of time. The time is calculated in minutes that the student waits for the train from the time he reaches the train station. So, X denote the amount of time the students wait for the train. Okay, it is known that the PDF of X is given. F of X is equal to 1 by 30 0 less than x less than 30, 0 elsewhere. So here the x values are written as an interval. So it is a continuous random variable. Okay, what you have to find? Obtain and interpret the expected value of the random variable. What is asked? Expected value. Expected value of x means e of x we have to find out. And what is your x? You see that the amount of time that the student waits for the train. Okay, so e of x we have identified it is a continuous random variable, and x also it is denoted here, amount of time that the student waits for the train from the time he reaches the train station. Okay, so e of x, it is integral minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x dx. Okay, minus infinity to plus infinity, according to this problem, it can be separated as minus infinity to 0, 0 to 30 and 30 to infinity. So in this interval and the first and the last interval, your f of x is 0, because here it is defined only 0 to 30 your f of x is 1 by 30, otherwise it is 0. So in these two intervals your f of x is 0, so you will get only the middle interval only we are going to consider. So the next step, integral 0 to 30 x. What is your f of x? That is 1 by 30 into dx. 1 by 30 is a constant, it is taken out. So here you are having x. So if you integrate, it is x squared by 2. And the 2, when you take it outside, it is 1 by 60. So here you are having x squared. Apply the upper limit, that is 30 the whole square. Minus, when you apply the lower limit, it is 0. So 30 the whole square is 30 into 30 divided by, here this 60 will come. So 30 and 60 if you cancel, here you will have 2. So 30 by 2. 30 by 2 is 15 minutes. So therefore, the students wait 15 minutes. Okay, from the time he reaches the train station. Okay, so the average delay, average means it's a mean, so e of x only we have found, so therefore the average delay is 15 minutes. Okay, so we'll come to the next problem, that is the time to failure in thousands of hours of an electronic equipment used in a manufactured computer has the density function. You see the word has the density function. So therefore it is defined f of x is equal to 3 e power minus 3x when x is greater than 0. 0 elsewhere. Find the expected life of this electronic equipment. Expected life of this electronic equipment. Expected life. So therefore you have to find out e of x. So that's why x denotes the life of the electronic equipment, and here it is a probability density function, so it is a continuous random variable. Expected life is asked, so you are going to find e of x. So formula is integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x into dx. So according to your problem, when x is greater than 0, okay, so it can be written as minus infinity to 0 x f of x dx plus 0 to infinity x f of x into dx. So in this interval your f of x is 0. So you can have this interval alone, integral 0 to infinity x. In that 0 to infinity, what is your f of x? 3 e power minus 3x into dx. So the constant 3 is taken out. So remaining is what? Integral 0 to infinity x e power minus 3x into dx. So using this formula, integral 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx can be written as n factorial by a power n plus 1. So when you compare this term with this, the limit is 0 to infinity. In the place of x power is 1. And what is a? A is 3. So therefore, when you apply the formula, 1 factorial by 3 to the power n plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, that is 3 squared. Okay, so 3 into 1 by 3 squared is what? It is 9. So when you cancel, it is e of x. Okay, So see now, when you apply this, it is 3. Your A is 3. So 3 power 1 plus 1, n plus 1, n is 1. So 1 plus 1, 3 square, 3 by 9, that is equal to 1 by 3. So coming to the problem number 7, the probability density function of the random variable is given by f of x is equal to 16x e power minus 4x for x is greater than 0, 0 for x is less than or equal to 0. Find the mean and the variance of x. So mean means e of x has to be found. So it is a probability density function. So it is x greater than 0. So it is a continuous random variable. So therefore e of x is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx. So according to this problem, x less than or equal to 0, your f of x is 0. So only x greater than 0 only your f of x. So therefore this limit can be written as minus infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity. So minus infinity to 0, your f of x is 0. So we'll have integral 0 to infinity x. Okay, so in the question itself you are having x. In the f of x you have to write 16x e power minus 4x into dx. This 16 is taken out. So here integral 0 to infinity x into x is x squared e power minus 4x into dx. You have to use the formula. What formula? Integral 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax into dx. So that is equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. So using this formula, your x power is 2. So it is n is 2. So it is 2 factorial divided by. So here your a is 4. 4 power 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 4 cube can be written as 4 squared, that is 16 into 4. So the 16 and the 16 getting cancelled. So the remaining is 2 by 4. So when you cancel, it is 1 by 2. So next, in the same way, you have to find out variance of x. So variance of x means you need e of x square. So integral minus infinity to plus infinity x squared into f of x dx. So the limit can be written as minus infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity. So minus infinity to 0, your f of x is 0. So you have to consider integral 0 to infinity x squared. In the place of f of x, you have to substitute 16x e power minus 4x. So when you substitute here, 16 is taken out. So here already you are having x squared into x is x cube e power minus 4x. Again you have to use this formula. In the place of n you are having 3. So it is 3 factorial. In the place of a you are having 4. So 3 factorial by 4 power 3 plus 1, that is 4. So if you apply the formula, so you will get 16 into 3 factorial by 4 power 4. So 4 power 4 can be written as 16 into, that is 4 squared into 4 squared. So 4 squared is 16. So this 16 and here 16 getting cancelled. So in the numerator you are having 6 and 4 squared is 16. 16 by 16. If you simplify, that is 3 by 8. Apply in the variance formula. So variance of x is equal to e of x squared minus e of x the whole square. So e of x already we have found, it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4. If you take LCM, LCM is 8. So 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 8. Okay. So we'll come to the 8th problem. A lottery with 600 tickets gives one prize of rupees 200, 4 prizes of rupees 100 and 6 prizes of rupees 50. If the ticket cost is rupees 2, find the expected winning amount of a ticket. Find the expected winning amount of a ticket. So therefore, we have to denote, let x be the winning amount of a ticket. Okay. So what are the amount you will get? 200, 100, 50. Otherwise, it is 0. So here we have to write the probability of the x. Okay, so we can, I have denoted here f of x, you can have p of x is equal to x also. So when you get the rupees 200, it is one price you will have rupees 200. So therefore, out of 600 tickets, you will have one price, that is of rupees 200. So therefore the probability is 1 by 600. And you see that 4 prices of rupees 100. So therefore 4 by 600. Okay, and 6 prices of rupees 50. So therefore out of 600 tickets, 6 tickets having the price of rupees 50. So therefore it is 6 by 600. Okay. 0 when you will not get the price. So out of 600 tickets, 589, how this 589 has come? See, one price of rupees 200 and 4 prices of rupees 100 and 6 prices. So therefore 6 plus 4 plus 1. So that is 11 tickets only having price out of 600 tickets. So 600 if you subtract 11, you will have 589 tickets. You don't have, we will not get price. So therefore when the winning amount is 0 means it is, the probability is 589 by 600. What is our expected winning amount? So therefore expected means it is E of x. So E of x is equal to what? Summation of x into f of x. So x, it is 200 into 1 by 600 plus 100 into 4 by 600 plus 50 into 6 by 600 plus 0 into 589 by 600. So it is 200 by 600 plus 400 by 600 plus 50 into 6 is 300 divided by 600 plus 0 into anything is 0. So it will be 2 by 6 plus 4 by 6 plus 3 by 6. So if you add, it is 9 by 6. What is 9 by 6? That is, if you divide it by 3, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means you can write 1.50. Since the cost of a ticket is rupees 2, here winning amount is what? 1 rupee 50 pies. So if you subtract, you will get the answer as 0.50. So it is, ticket cost is 2 and the amount we are getting is 1.50. So therefore it's a loss. So the expected loss is 50 pies for a ticket. Thank you, students.